What's up everybody, Sammy here. So today we are going to take a quick look at the Xiaomi Pad 6 Max 14. This is really gigantic, you know. It's totally blocked my face. Again, in this video is just going to be quick unboxing and first look, detail review. Welcome out tomorrow, so stay subscribed if you haven't. Without further ado, let's get started. Okay, Max. Whoa, it's gigantic. Snapdragon 8 Plus. Wow, it's really comfortable to hold. This is gigantic. You can basically use it as use it to edit videos or something. Camera module. Seems not supporting the SIM card. Okay, that's it. Wow, gigantic. Let's check out what's left in the box. So after that we see a small box. I guess would be some paperwork. This, yeah. Obviously no pen because there's no SIM card here, and again 67 watts charger and Type-C cable, and that's basically all for the Mi Pad 6 Max. Okay, that's the case for the Mi Pad 6 Max 14. Ooh, the keyboard, everything is bigger. Oh, you attach like that. Yeah, just like that. Alright, this is the pen for the Xiaomi Pad 6 Max. Okay, the manager asked me to unbox it, but I only have two hands, one to hold the camera and one to unbox it. So please subscribe, right? It's never gonna be easy. Sorry about the mess. What else we have in this small box? A simple manual. We have a tip for that.